So, hello guys, this is the fourth video of today Science Day, and this video is about DNA extraction method and how can you do this thing at your home. So let's get started. So guys, for this experiment we need hot water. You can take warm little bit 50 ml. So we have to pour in this, and then you need liquid detergent or dish soap. This much is sufficient, and then we need to add some salt to this solution like this. And now we will mix this solution properly. Now guys, we need strawberry, otherwise you can use banana also. So here I have strawberry, and you need to put the strawberry in a plastic bag like this, or you can also use a zipper bag which closes like this. And now we need to pour this solution into this bag like this. Now guys, we need to crush this strawberry inside this bag. So I will tie a knot on this bag like this, and now we will crush this. Guys, you have to use a cloth like this and put it in a bowl, and now remove the mixture in the bag and pour it here, something like this. I am removing the whole mixture. Okay, it's done. And now take the cloth and just spill it. Okay, you can see that we have got a liquid like this. Now guys, we need some isopropyl alcohol or ethanol that is chilled. Chilled means cold. So we need to pour this into our obtained filter. And guys, see what is happening here. And guys, you can see that our DNA is getting collected over here. So guys, you can see that here DNA is collected at the bottom of this container. So guys, here you can see that this much DNA was obtained from one strawberry. So guys, you would like to know that what happened in this DNA extraction process. So as we know that the liquid detergent or the dish soap breaks the cell membrane and the cell wall of that strawberry, and when it breaks that cell wall and cell membrane, then it goes in the nuclear membrane of the nucleus and breaks that nuclear membrane so that the DNA can come out of the nucleus, and therefore it gets extracted from that process. So if you like this video, then hit the like button, share this video to your friends who like science videos, and also subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. So thanks for watching.